Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, and on the right, we have the LMRC-12 drone. Two drones enter. Only one leaves. Well, not literally, but you get the point. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The SYMA drone comes in at a cool $99. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 drone is a bit friendlier on the wallet at $79. So, if you're as broke as my New Year's resolutions, the LMRC-12 is already looking pretty good. Now, let's compare their cameras. Both drones have a 1080p HD camera, which is great for capturing all those epic fails and majestic sunsets. The SYMA drone boasts a stable and clearer view with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. In other words, you can live stream your drone's crash landing in glorious HD. On the other side, the LMRC-12 drone also has a 1080p HD camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle. It's like the drone equivalent of those flexible yoga instructors on Instagram. Plus, it has dual camera switching for an authentic FPV experience. So both drones are pretty neck and neck in the camera department. Next, let's talk control and user experience. The SYMA drone can be controlled by remote or through the SYMA app. You can even draw a flight path on the app like you're Picasso or something. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12, with its headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo/video, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It even hovers at a certain height, so you can pretend you're in a sci-fi movie. Both drones are super user-friendly, but the LMRC-12 might have a slight edge with its hand gesture control. It's like having a mini Jedi mind trick in your hands. Let's move on to flight time. The SYMA drone has two powerful batteries that give you up to 40 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to fly around your neighborhood and still have time to dodge your nosy neighbor's questions. On the flip side, the LMRC-12 drone offers 26 minutes of flight time with its two high-capacity modular batteries. Not as long as the SYMA, but still enough to get some good footage and maybe freak out a few squirrels. How about build quality and protection? The SYMA drone comes with 4 propeller guards, low-voltage protection, and overcurrent protection. It's like the drone equivalent of wearing a helmet, knee pads, and elbow pads all at once. The LMRC-12 drone, on the other hand, is built with a brushless motor that's strong, wind-resistant, and offers a quieter flight. Plus, it's got US certification and professional technical support. So if you break it, you can at least cry to someone who cares. Reviewers have a lot to say about these two drones. The SYMA drone is praised for its ease of use, impressive camera quality, and strong obstacle avoidance capabilities, making it suitable for both beginners and kids. However, some reviews mention that it might struggle in smaller rooms, and the battery life could be better. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 drone receives high marks for its affordability, stable flight, and good camera quality. It's also noted for being user-friendly and durable, though a few reviewers did have issues with the app and remote pairing. Alright folks, it's time to wrap up. Both the SYMA drone and the LMRC-12 drone have their strengths and quirks. If you want longer flight time and a robust app experience, go for the SYMA. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile, and Jedi mind trick-capable drone, the LMRC-12 might be your new best friend. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.